welcome to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be taking a look at the Dart survival kit. This is a styrofoam survival kit. Very basic style canister container. Something maybe soup or a side dish or some dressing would come in. And if you guys hear any dripping in the background, it's raining. So you can hear it outside my window. It's going pretty hard there in the corner. Right on top, you see we have a whole lot of shenanigans going on here. First off, we have our Heinz yellow mustard. This is used as a great little boost and give you some nutrients and a little bit of flavor, better than nothing. And as well as it can be used as an antibacterial. I believe that's right, it's antibacterial. Here we have 2 cotton balls tied up real tight like. Use it for tinder. We have our mini Bic lighter. Also have a little bit of duct tape you can rip off and use as a fire starter. This can be used for hygiene and water filtration. It's a water activated towelette from S&E. Then we also have some water purification tablets right here. And for gear repair, we just have a very basic sewing kit, needle, 5 thread, 2 buttons, and 2 safety pins. In addition to the mustard, we also have some antibacterial cream or antibiotic creams, as well as a few bandages. So we got 3, 4, 5. So 5 good sized bandages. We also have our pocket fishing kit. It comes with a fake crawdad, some bobbers, hooks, leads, and some snap-on sinkers, as well as line. We also have some bank line. So if that fishing line doesn't hold up, you can always switch it out for this. Or use this for shelter making, gear repair, first aid, anything like that. We also have some snare wire for the same utilities. Keep us warm at night, keep us dry. We have a Mylar emergency blanket. These are great for reflecting your body heat back at you, or even signaling for help because they look like fake sheets of tinfoil. They're very thin, so you have to be careful with it, but they are good for making shelters, making them waterproof and warm. An additional way of fire starting, we have some storm-proof matches, not UCO, and then also a striker in there. For signaling, we have a very basic stainless steel whistle. Really hard to break, kind of hard to lose with that shine. And for cutting, we have a very basic Swiss blade or razor blade, emergency orange knife. For navigation, we have our very tiny little button compass, but it works great. Honestly, it works the best out of all my button compasses. I have quite a few. And then in addition to the whistle, we also have our mirror, which is great for signaling at a distance, especially to air vehicles. This is the Star Flash Micro Survival Series signal mirror. There's their website right there. I love these little mirrors. Cool little mirror. And that's the kit, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Always love hearing from you, what you guys would do differently and what you do to make it better. Sadly, today's video was supposed to be a fishing video, but I'm having a ridiculous amount of rain being dropped on me in the moment. So hopefully within the next few days we can get out there, catch some fat sallies. But other than that, guys, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.